largest number of newspaper is published in the country is in the language Hindi, followed by English and Urdu. So Hindi is first and then follows English and Urdu. Coming to international trade, so trading happening between international in the level of international facility, that is one nation to the other nation, which brings all different countries to a group, that is called as international trade. So between two countries is called international trade. It may take place through sea, air or land routes. So sometimes it takes place through sea and air, either through aeroplanes or through sea routes, that is using ships and cruises. Advancement of international trade of a country is an index to its economic prosperity. It is therefore considered that the economic barometer for a country. Export, when the goods are sent to the other countries for sale, it is called as export. And import, when the goods are brought to the country or coming from the other country to be sold in India, is called as import. Balance of payment, this is the difference between export and import of a country. When the export is higher than import, then this is a situation of favorable balance of payment. So export is higher than import, that is the amount of goods taken from the country is higher than the amount of goods brought into the country, then the situation of favorable balance of payment. On the other hand, when the import is higher than the export, then this is the situation of unfavorable balance of payment. On the other hand, when the import is higher, that is the one which is brought into the country is higher than that one which is taken from the country, it is considered to be unfavorable condition of balance of payment. So here there is a chart which shows Indian commodities witnessing growth in share and export and major imports to India. So bulk imports as a group registered a growth accounting for 39.09% of total imports. This group includes fertilizers, edible oils, cereals and newsprints. International trade has undergone a sea change in the last 15 years. Exchange of commodities and goods have been suppressed by the exchange of information and knowledge. India has emerged as a software giant at the international level, and it is earning large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. Tourism as a trade, like how tourism is considered to be as a trade, because people from outside come here to India in order to have this tourism, that is in order as a tourist. So foreign tourists arrival in the country witnessed an increase of 23.5% during the year 2004 as against the year 2003, thus contributing rupees 21,828 crores of foreign exchange. Over 2.6 million foreign tourists visit India every year. More than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. Tourism also promotes national integration